The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is shaping up to be one of the most controversial APS-C cameras in years. And according to new leaks, it may feature a 40-megapixel APS-C sensor, a move that could redefine Canon's entire crop sensor strategy. Multiple reports suggest pre-production R7 Mark II units are already in the hands of selected photographers and video creators. The biggest talking point so far is the rumored jump to 40 megapixels, an unusually high resolution for an APS-C sensor. At this resolution, image quality becomes extremely demanding. Camera shake, diffraction, and lens quality matter more than ever. To truly benefit from 40 megapixels, shooters would likely need fast, high-quality RF glass, which creates tension with Canon's current RFS lens lineup. So why would Canon do this? One likely answer is 8K video. True 8K requires around 33 megapixels, and a 40 megapixel sensor gives Canon enough headroom for high-resolution video, immersive capture, and future-focused workflows, possibly prioritizing video over traditional stills. Leaks also suggest burst rates up to 40 frames per second, which at 40 megapixels would generate massive data. That could mean CF Express cards, pushing the R7 Mark II closer to professional-grade workflows rather than entry-level APS-C. All signs point to the R7 Mark II becoming a high-resolution, video-forward APS-C flagship, while a future R10 Mark II may serve photographers who want speed and affordability instead. If these leaks are accurate, the Canon R7 Mark II won't be for everyone, but it could be one of Canon's boldest APS-C cameras yet. Subscribe for more Canon leaks and camera industry updates.